Hi, this is Jim Romer. Exciting times in commodities. This is Weather Wealth at bestweatherinc.com. Make sure you go there and subscribe. Get a 2-week free trial period about all the crazy weather going on in the world. Many commodities breaking out actually right now, and also my inexpensive newsletter. If you want to learn about commodity ETFs, natural gas, grains, very inexpensive. A monthly issue is only $13 a month. What's going on right now? Well, there is some resemblance here to my best friend, one of my good friends. Up at the Arctic Circle. It's called the Arctic Pig, something I actually coined many years ago in meteorology. What is that? The polar vortex moving south. I predicted this about 3 weeks ago. Look at these temperatures over the Midwest, sub-zero. Natural gas prices finally rallying, struggling between the large global supplies of natural gas, potential exports of LNG over the next 6 to 9 months is supportive, and this bitter cold weather. Once it actually begins to ease, will natural gas prices sell off? Well, you have to subscribe to one of my newsletters, and we'll give you the answer to that. We have a variety of option strategies on for investors and ETFs as well in commodities, some of which are actually in the grain markets. We've seen coffee prices break here again. Look at this rain, the green and also blue over my ear there over northern Brazil. This has kept the coffee market in check, even though the crop's going to be down about 50% from a year ago in Brazil. There's some rains in the forecast and a weaker Brazil real, but I have a variety of pretty high confidence option strategies in coffee going on into the spring and summer. And we hope you'll join us, and I'll give you that information. Spreadsheet we have giving trade recommendations, though past performance is not indicative of future results. Natural gas, grains, ETFs, and renewable energy stocks like NIA, the electric car company in China, is up. Our spreadsheet's up over 60% over the last year. Look at this dry weather returning to Argentina. That may have helped support the grain market again here after a massive washout. We have some advice in grains. We're not necessarily bullish right now, but the wheat market could explode this spring and summer if we have a drought that I think is a definite possibility. So we're seeing a lot of commodity markets actually break out right now. One of the good ways that you could actually take advantage of a diversified portfolio of commodities, particularly if you're new to this industry and want to get your feet wet in a conservative way, is buying a broad basket like the Invesco DB commodity index that has copper, which has exploded because of electric cars use a lot of copper. Also silver is exploding as well because the global economy has been coming back. And a variety of commodities and ags and natural gas that we advise in. Some are bullish, some are bearish, but in the long term, this commodity index, at least one of them, is probably a good longer-term investment. Commodities have been in the doghouse over the last 5-10 years until the last 6 months. So anyway, read my report today. I think you'll find it interesting. Tons of snow going on over much of the country. Look at this over my shoulder here. Over the next week or so in Virginia to the northeast, 1 to 2 feet of snow. That's actually helped the heating oil market versus gasoline. Look how heating oil has soared versus gasoline. One of our best trades on our spreadsheet over the last couple of weeks. Will this continue? And how do you trade this stuff? Well, once again, you'll have to get a free trial of the Weather Wealth. And the other option is just get my monthly newsletter, which is really inexpensive, called Climatelligence. Have a good weekend. Thank you.